There are a couple of different options for starting a new part in SolidWorks. Up at the top of the interface, I'll click on the SolidWorks welcome icon shaped like a house. You might see this as the startup window when you first open SolidWorks. From here, you have the option to create a part, assembly, or drawing file. These are the three main file types in SolidWorks. You can also access the new file options from the new document icon in the toolbar. Just like in other Windows-based applications, SolidWorks has a File drop-down menu. To show this menu, just hover over the SolidWorks logo, and under File, you can start a new file from here as well. I'll click it, and you can see the new document window starts up again. If the new SolidWorks document window looks slightly different on your screen, notice the Advanced button here. If I click on it, you can see the part, assembly, and drawing files as shown earlier, but you also have a couple of tabs up above, Templates and Tutorial. These files were included with my default installation of SolidWorks and are essentially different templates that you can use as the basis for new files. I won't delve too deeply into templates right now, but essentially, they contain certain options and settings that will be included when you create a brand new part file. I'll talk about that a little bit later, but for now, I'll click the Novice button to switch back to the Novice view. I'll go ahead and create a new part file by clicking on Part and then OK. Throughout the remainder of this course, I'm going to be designing parts using metric units. The template that I'm using here is actually using units of inch, pound, second. An easy way to see which units you are in is by looking at this button here in the status bar. This button is a convenient way to see which units are being used, as well as a simplified way of switching between different unit systems. So to switch to the metric system, I'll just click this button and choose the millimeter gram second option. Keep in mind that you can always access your unit settings by going to Options, Document Properties, Units. Here, you can switch between all the different default unit systems that SolidWorks has to offer.